Hi guys! This video will be a bit different from all the others, but still about the garden, but in a different way. We are going to combine art and a garden and my love to recycling everything. And today we are going to be making paper out of nappy bags and some just packaging paper that I had while they were delivered. And then we're going to go in the garden and make some sketches on that paper.
My age laugh at my jokes, treat me like one of the bros. Think I'm cool, but they would never date me. 'Cause girls my age have tiny waists, skin tight tan and baby faces, dance at the bar like no one's watching. But I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. But in a couple weeks you look